Today we will be unboxing the color Inkjet all-in-one multifunction center. It can print, copy, scan and fax. It has an INKvestment tank which has a front-loaded tank cartridge technology with mobile printing, and you can also print from the cloud using the cloud connection. And then we have a 400 sheet paper capacity. The brother also provides up to 1 year of ink in box. So let's open it. Here we have an Ethernet cable. We have black ink cartridge, red ink cartridge, yellow ink cartridge, and the blue ink cartridge. The black one is a little bigger than the rest of the ink cartridges. We have a 6-month warranty and all this documentation. Let me get this out of the box. This is really heavy, so I'll take it. Out of the packaging. We have an electrical cord. So I have placed my printer on the table now, and as you can see, it has 2 trays for paper placement, which I liked about this printer. That's why I chose the Brother printer instead of the Epson EcoTank. And we have another tray. Let me remove the sticker. So we have 2 trays. It says 1 and 2 here. And okay, this is how the paper is going to come out printed. This is for keeping like this when you print. And this is another tray. So this is for, I don't know why they gave us 2 trays, but I bought this because of the 2 trays. And this is where the ink goes, and you just open it, and it says magenta, cyan, yellow and black. So, and we have a USB port here, so we can attach a USB or attach it straight to our computer. The Epson EcoTank also had like a small place for memory card, which this printer does not have, or I haven't seen it yet. Let me check first. So this is a scanner, and we can scan up to A4 in this printer, and we can fax. So the Epson EcoTank and the Brother printer, INKvestment tank, they both have the same price but like slightly different features. This one has 2 trays. The EcoTank has 1 tray. This one does not have a memory card port, but this one does have fax option, and both are double-sided printing. And another thing about this printer is that if it's an INKvestment tank, why are they giving us cartridges? The whole point is to save the environment, and the Epson EcoTank is doing a better job at it because you can buy those bottles which don't pollute the earth as much. But in this case, we're still going to have to replace those ink cartridges, and they're really hard to decompose, right? So the whole purpose that everybody's buying the EcoTanks or the INKvestment tanks is so that we can stop pollution in the environment. And I think Brother just didn't get the message. They just want to still force us to buy cartridges. So, which is what I found out after opening the printer. If I knew that I was going to have to buy replacement cartridges, then I would not have bought this printer. I would have gone with the Epson EcoTank again, which I bought last year. So now I'm going to only open the ink cartridge prior to using it. Instructions. This is what the ink cartridge looks like. It has a chip, and I don't know how to put this ink inside. Let me just figure that out. Oh, okay. This is the blue. I don't know why the companies call it cyan, but this is the blue ink. So one more cool thing about this printer is that when we open this copier and then open this system where you can get into the rollers and stuff, they have a hidden placement where you can add your USB and you can connect your printer to different computers, which is the coolest feature ever. Even if they don't have a port for the memory disk, we have 2 USB ports and one for the connection with different computers, which I think is pretty cool. If you come to the side here, this is where we can fax from our printer. This is where we have the Ethernet line and an extension. I don't think I will be using this feature, but maybe for some business person they may use it. Another thing that I found out about this printer is that if you go to the back, then this tray number 2 opens up like this from the back, and you can add your printer paper from here, which is great for photo printing or printing larger items. And then you can just open it like this and it can hold your paper, which is cool. Thanks for watching this video. The setup is complete and we have unboxed the Brother INKvestment tank.